Yes? Show me cutting. Tell me what you're cooking today. What are you cooking? Huh? What are you cooking? Tell me cutting. Show me. Show me how you cut.
Cut.
Show me cutting. Oh, that's like chopping. Good job. What do you have hanging on your chin? Yeah, what else?
Boom.
Go ahead. Let me see what you're going to do next. Go ahead. Let's see. You going to flip it? Let's see. What do you got? Show me what you're made of. Let's hear it. Oh, now you're mashing. Are you tenderizing?
Cut.
Let me see you cut. Wow.
Cut.
What is that you're cutting? What is that?
Onion.
Onion? You making a nice meat sauce? I'm going to have a nice bite. Okay. Do you like your onion raw? All right, what's next? Can you tell everybody goodbye?
Bye.